Hello, welcome to another session on integers. In the previous few videos, we have covered up all the topics under integers. Here we will be taking up few examples or a few questions which would show us some application of what we have learned in the previous few sessions. These are few filling up the blanks given. These are based on the properties. If you see, it is minus 85 plus 12 is equal to dash plus minus 85. If you recall, this was the first property we learnt in the previous few sessions, which is closure property. That means A plus B is equal to B plus A. So here we will be substituting it with 12. Let's take another example. Dash multiplied to minus 2 is equal to dash multiplied to 8. This is again the closure property. Under closure property of integers or for multiplication, that holds true. So here it will be 8 and this will be minus 2. Now dash added to 26 will give us a 0. If we subtract a 26, that will give us 0. Right? Another one which comes to my mind is 0 divided by minus 35 will be what? 0 divided by any number gives us a 0. One more thing is on the associative property is, here suppose it is 14 plus blank, the bracket ends here, plus 2 is equal to dash plus minus 7 plus 2. Now if it is minus 7 plus 2 is there, it is, if you recall, this is the associative property. I will substitute here with minus 7 and this will be 14. These are the basic questions. Now these were just fill in the blanks applying the the properties of integers. Now we will be solving, we are asked to solve the properties, applying the properties of integers, the following things. The first one, let me write down, is minus 295 multiplied by minus 63 plus minus 295 multiplied to 33. How do we do this question? If you recall, we just in the previous video had learnt about the distributive property, right? So the distributive property will be applied as minus 295 and in the bracket it will be minus 63 plus 33. I'll just be solving this part only. So it is minus 295 and in the bracket it's minus 63 plus 30 gives you another minus. So 63 minus 33 giving us a minus 30. Now if there are two negatives, if you multiply, that makes it a positive, and 295 multiplied to 30 gives us 8850. This is an application of distributive property of multiplication question. Okay, and we can now see another application of another property. Maybe this time we see the application of associative property to find out this the value of the certain expression given. I'm just making up another space so that we don't mix up with the previous question. It says 4 plus minus 8 plus 6 plus minus 2. What we do is we will need to rearrange again for the closure property. We'll see if it is 4 plus 6, that would give us 10. So let us rearrange accordingly. It is 4 plus 6, and if it is, then the rest remains minus 8 and plus minus 2. 6 plus 4, 10, and this is minus 8 minus 2, that gives you a minus 10 again. So 10 minus 10 I'm getting, that is equals 0. We have seen another example of commutative closure property. We now can take up more question, but this time let it be a word problem. I write the question here. It says the product of two numbers is minus 180. It informs that if one number is 12, find the other number. How do we find? We'll just see. We are multiplying two numbers to get the answer, right? This is multiplied and this is equal to, when we the product of these two numbers, it says is minus 180. One of them we put as suppose 12. So how do we find this one, which is we regard it as A maybe? So A will be the product divided by one number, that is 180 divided by 12. This is equal to, if you see, will be minus 15. I hope you followed this question. We now see another application in a word problem again. Let me just write it down first. It says Reena climbs up 5 stairs every, just excuse me for the spell mistake, every second, let it be in the short form, and then climbs down 2 stairs over the next second. How many seconds will she take to climb 60 stairs? Okay, what we do is we'll now understand what's happening in 1 second. Like in the first second she is going up by 5 stairs, right? Give me a minute. I just will be writing down something that's got stuck. Just give me a second. Yeah, it's okay now. It is in 1 second it is going up 5 stairs. This is in the first second. In the second second it is coming down by 2 stairs. So in 2 seconds it is actually, the resultant becomes a climbing of 3 stairs, right? This happens in 2 seconds. Sorry, in 2 seconds. So what happening in 3 stairs plus 3 stairs in 2 seconds. So 1 stair in 2 by 3 seconds. So 60 stairs will be 2 by 3 upon 2 by 3 multiplied to 60, and if you cancel, that's giving me 20, and it is 40. So in 40 seconds she will climb 60 stairs. 40 seconds. Hope you understand, because this is how you need to see a positive expression with a negative, as because it is going down, that makes it -2, and if it is going up, it is expressed as +2. I give you one question, one or two questions, for maybe one question for you to solve by yourself. A tanker contains, I give you the answer as well so that you know if you have done it right, 500 liters of milk. Due to a small hole in the tanker, the quantity of milk is obviously decreasing. Oh, there's a spell mistake there, sorry. At the rate of 9 liters per hour. Now, what will be the quantity of milk? What will be the quantity of milk after 10? Oh, I think it's not visible. What will be the quantity of milk after 10 hours? It's not that difficult. You express the whole thing in terms of in 1 hour how much it is decreasing. So in 10 hours, about how much will be left in the tanker. So the answer to this will be, I write the answer here, 410 liters. I hope you get this right. We take up another chapter in the next session, that will be fractions. Thank you.